Welcome to this video on SEO fundamentals, focusing on driving visibility and authority in the digital age. What is SEO? Search engine optimization is the strategic process of enhancing a website's visibility in organic search results. It helps you align with algorithms to ensure your content is discoverable by the right audience at the right time, building brand trust and reducing dependence on expensive paid ads. Search engines work in three main phases: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Crawling is the discovery phase where bots scan for content. Indexing organizes this information. Finally, ranking determines the most relevant pages for a user query. Remember, if Google cannot crawl or index your page, it cannot rank it. SEO strategies are multifaceted, encompassing on-page SEO for individual web page optimization, off-page SEO for external authority building, technical SEO for back-end improvements like site speed, and local SEO for geographic search visibility. The ideal mix depends on your business model. Understanding core terminology is essential. A keyword is what users type to find information. Organic traffic comes from unpaid search results. A backlink is a quote of confidence from another website, and SERP is the search engine results page. Center is the click-through rate, and bounce rate is when users leave without interacting. Keyword research is the foundation of successful SEO. IT identifies the exact terms your audience uses, reveals user needs, and informs your content strategy. Focus on specific, long-tail terms like best running shoes for beginners, instead of generic terms like shoes. Aligning content with search intent is critical. Intents include informational, seeking knowledge; navigational, seeking a specific site; commercial, comparing products; and transactional, ready to purchase. Google ranks pages that best match the user's underlying motivation. On-page SEO optimizes user experience. This includes high-quality content that answers queries and using headings to organize information. Optimize technical tags like title tags and meta descriptions, and integrate strong UX with proper URL structures and internal links. Title tags and meta descriptions are your first impressions. Keep title tags under 60 characters with primary keywords at the start. For meta descriptions, aim for 150 to 160 characters and include a clear call to action. Right for humans. Managing user expectations. Internal linking is crucial for site architecture. It improves scrollability, helping bots efficiently discover pages. It also manages authority flow and guides users to related content, increasing time on site. This is a powerful yet simple SEO optimization.